guys, it's Sammy
and Gracie,
and in today's video we're going to be stocking our slime shop. We are Sugar and Spice Slimes Company on Etsy. Our link will be in the description box down below. So like always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to be showing you what you would get in a slime order if you ordered one slime. So you would get your slime, of course, in its airtight steel container with the label on the bottom and on the top. You would also get a little borax baggie that is approximately 1 tablespoon. You'd also be getting a borax instruction sheet with a little sticker on the side. You'll also be getting a thank you for purchasing note and another little sticker. You will be getting some extras too. Normally any candies we have, and all that goes in a secure bubble mailer. So since this is not a real package, the seal's still on, but obviously we would seal the package for if we were really giving this package to someone. So we just put all the stuff inside. Like this. And then if this was a normal package, we would seal it all up. If you order 2 slimes, you will get all of the same things except 1 extra candy or 1 extra bookmark or toy. And if you order 3 slimes, you will get all the same stuff once again. A cute little bracelet that is customly made and a little sample 1-ounce slime. This is Oreo Cookie Crumble, and it is a white base slime that's very clicky with black sand in it to give it an Oreo texture. It is scented just like the name, and it also looks just like the name. It's scented like a creamy and chocolatey Oreo. It's very stretchy, clicky, pokeable, and fun to play with. This is one of our favorites. This is Lime Sherbet Delight. This one actually has a sample slime, and it is just as good as the normal slime. We also, of course, have our 2-ounce versions, and all of them come in this circled container. It is airtight. Lime Sherbet Delight is a really thick, spreadable, clicky, and stretchy slime. It is perfect for drizzles and anything of that nature. This overall is one of the best slimes that we have in this restock, and we really recommend it to everyone. The scent is like a creamy rosemary scent. For certain slimes, you will get matching bracelets on them. For example, if you bought Oreo Cookie Crumble, you would probably get this slime to match because it is a white and black slime. The next slime we have is Strawberry Lemonade. This slime also comes with a sample, which is filled to the top because we made a lot of this slime. So we have 6 2-ounce slimes for this slime, and this is a very unique slime. It's a jiggly butter slime, and I've never felt anything like it before I made this slime. It is super pokeable and stretchy, and it smells so good. It's a mix between lemonade and strawberries, and it's a perfect combination because it smells just like strawberry lemonade. This is lemon poppy seed, and it comes in 2-ounce versions, and we have 2 of those. So it's a yellow base slime with little black sand in it. The sand gives it a really nice texture, and lemon poppy seed is actually a jiggly slime too. It's also really pokeable and stretchy, and really clicky. It smells exactly like lemons, and it's just a really good slime overall.
This is Poppy Popcorn. It is a crunchy slime with a clicky base. Inside are gold holographic glitters, little circle beads that look like butter in the popcorn, and it's almost like a chewed up bubblegum slime except popcorn version. And it's really cute and fun to play with, super stretchy, pokeable, and there is little to no fallout. As you can see, no beads fell out while I played with it. Overall, a really good slime. It smells like cinnamon, which is a really good scent.
This is confetti cake batter, and when it arrives to you, it will be so pretty because it has all these little sprinkles on the top. They add such a good touch to it, and it makes it super crunchy and makes it a really good texture when you feel it. It's very pokeable, and it spreads really nicely. It smells really good, just like cake batter, and it'll make you
Want to bake a cake.
yeah.
Overall, a great slime. We also wanted to thank Gabby for purchasing 4 of our slimes. We gave her all the stuff we said was included in free slimes, plus more candy and more extras. So
Thank you so much,
thank you
Gabby.
so much, Gabby. Make sure to like,
Comment,
share,
and subscribe.
and
also click
hit
that
the
notification bell
so that way you can be notified on our next slime restock. Make sure to check our Etsy, which is down below, at Sugar and Spice Slimes Co. for company. So, bye!